Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna explain how to correctly anchor the standard deviations to have very precise answers, okay? So yeah, let's get started guys. Okay, yeah, as we know, market opens at 9:30 as always, so we just gonna wait until market open, okay? I'm not trading before because yeah, it's low probability for me. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this day was bullish. I was bearish. Okay, I mean I was bullish, but I saw a bearish setup. Okay, so I just took it. Okay, so we're gonna mark these standard deviations. Okay, you see that here price is. I mean, by the way, this is a 50-minute chart. Okay, you see that here. Wait, I'm gonna explain it like this. Okay, so there are two ways to mark these standard deviations. I mean, they are almost the same, but they are not the same. First, we have the manipulation standard deviation. Okay, so we just mark the most. I mean, the manipulation of the accumulation. Okay, so you see that. I mean, the bigger leg of the accumulation. Okay, so yeah, in this case, from the higher high to the low. Okay, and vice versa with bearish scenario. Okay, we'll do it like this. Okay, in this case we mark it from the lowest low to the high of the accumulation. Okay, but also we have the break of structure standard deviation, and it works like this. So we have our accumulation range, and this also accumulation. Okay, and yeah, then happens the manipulation and then the distribution. So we mark it from the low. I mean, in this case, in a bearish scenario, we mark it from the lowest low of the accumulation to the breakout structure. Okay, and if you combine these two, I mean these two type of standard deviations, you can be very precise. Okay, a lot. So I mean, there will be days that you are gonna use the manipulation one. I mean this one, or only this one, or just both of them. Both work, okay? But this one, the break of structure one, if you mark it correctly and you align it with hard time from PD arrays, you will be very precise, okay? And yeah, also the same with bullish scenario. Wait. Now what the fuck I'm doing, bro? Wait, guys. Anyways, bro, you get the point, okay? because I'm stupid and I don't know how to mark it. Not like this. Okay, like this. So you mark it from here to here. Just a brick of structure, okay? Why here? I mean here, I'm gonna explain it better with candles, but yeah, you mark the brick of structure on the 15 or the 5 minute. And also, if you are not expecting big moves, you can mark it on the 3 minute as well, or in the 1 minute. But I mostly use the 15 minute one and the 5 minute one. Okay. So yeah, these are the type of star deviation that I use. I don't use the London star deviation because yeah, I don't use it, but I use the Asia range. Okay, you see these lines? I also use them. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna explain examples. Okay, for example, this day I was, as I said, I was bullish, but I saw a bearish setup. So here, what did I do? I see an accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So I mark the manipulation leg. You go to the 5 minute, is clear. Okay. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. You can mark it like this too. I mean, yeah, on the 5 minute. But yeah, if you have a 15 minute one, I recommend to use the 15 minute one. Yeah. So also this is the break of structure. I mean, yeah, it works. So now you have. I mean, you can wait. Yeah, I mean, I think it's good. Okay. Now that you have a good leg, I mean, you can also mark this as a leg and just look. These ones align. Also, these ones align. Okay, it's true. So you're just gonna choose the best. Okay. So how do you choose it? You go to the 4 hour time frame. Look, I was looking at this level, 545. Okay, so you're just gonna wait. Align higher time from Peter race with the standard deviations. So here, that's a rejection block. Okay, so I just mark it like this. And why I didn't take DC of the 50% of the rejection block, because here this is weak. Okay, it's very close to the CE, and I'm not expecting a 2.75 points. I mean, yeah, a big sweep. Sorry, a small sweep of 3 points. I'm expecting a big sweep. I mean, a bigger sweep of like 30 points. Okay. So yeah, that's why. So I just marked the OT of the rejection block. Okay. And I saw that the 0.79 aligned with the -2, so I scaled down to the 1 hour time frame, and I kept looking for PDL race. And what did I see? Boom! 1 hour rejection block, and it perfectly aligns with the same level as before. Okay, the C of the rejection block aligns perfectly with the OT of the 4 hour rejection block, so that's a very good level. And also, you always want to wait for SMTs. Okay, you are not taking any trade without any SMT because the SMTs are crucial. Okay, and yeah, here there was an SMT. I remember it, so I just put yeah, I just did this. For this trade, I remember I targeted midnight because it was I mean it's a big move, so I didn't want to target these lows, But yeah, tapped in and perfectly rejected. Okay, and I think we swept these lows also. Yeah, we swept this low, so it can be a very very good trade. Okay, I mean it's not that difficult. You need to align things with other things also. I mean only. And yeah, look, the SMT, it's like right here, I think. Wait. Wait. Remove everything. Wait, what? Okay, yeah. Here's SMT. Yeah, here it is. Okay, yes. Sorry, Nasdaq took this high and yes, didn't. So yeah, that's a perfect A plus setup. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm gonna explain more and I'm gonna do more examples right now. So yeah, wait. Let me pick. Okay, maybe this day it can work. I'm gonna pick this day. Okay, so what do we see here? And yeah, manipulation. Okay. Also view scale. I mean, you can scale down to the 1 minute because wait. Okay, anyways, let's keep this day. I mean, I took this trade. I took 276. But I think it was because I saw. I think it was because this. Or maybe this. It was because this, okay. In the 1 minute I marked, I mean, I wasn't expecting a big move to the upside. So I just, in here we have all this liquidity, okay. Also it's 50-minute liquidity, I think, yeah, okay. So, also we're inside the fair value gap, okay. So, I marked this manipulation in 1 minute, okay. Also it's a break of structure, okay. Look, why here? I mean, you can also mark it here for the break of structure, but yeah, I just liked this one better because it's breaking the external structure. Okay, so look, wait, actually, yeah, that's better. Why here? Because it's breaking this structure. I mean, this candle is closing above this wick. Okay, but that's why. Yeah, I was watching at this level. Okay, actually 276. Okay, why here? Because in the 1 hour it was the CE of this. I think it was C. Wait, yeah, it was the C of this for value gap. Also, it was the this change state of delivery. I mean, or this order block. It's an order block. This order block and the 50-minute. I was looking also this 50-minute gap. Also, it's MSNR. Okay, look, 1 hour MSNR. So I just pick picked this level. Okay, the C of these two levels. I mean, I draw a box from the. I mean, you don't need to do that, but I wanted a very precise entry, so I just marked it from the order block, boom, to my level 276, sorry, and I just enter here. Let's see. So that's not necessary, but I just wanted a better entry. So yeah, I just put a limit there. I think I did a 10-point stop loss, but I'm not sure. I think so. I did a 10-point stop loss here. And yeah, I targeted. Wait. I think I targeted this inverse. The C of this inverse. Also, it's an open close. Sorry, a close open. So yeah, my target was this. And yeah, let's see. Boom, tapped in. And TP. Okay. It was a very good trade. Also, it was just at 10 a.m. Also, I mean, don't do this, okay? Because this was news. I just stopped it. News. But this is very, 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 very dangerous. Okay, so don't do it. But I, I was trusting this level a lot. So yeah, I just did it. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna do another video about these standard deviations. But yeah, I think that's it for today. Wait, let me check something. Okay, yeah, for example, look at this. If you go to the 5-minute, okay, what do we see? No, wait. No, actually, yeah. Look, we have a high here and a low here, okay? Boom, boom, okay? So, what is price doing here? It's breaking the structure, okay? Here, because this candle is closing below this low very aggressively. So now actually, yeah, you can mark it. Yeah, just mark it and look at this. Look at this precision if you mark it correctly. Also, it was midnight open, I think. Yeah. look at this precision if you mark it correctly. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it right there, okay? I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna explain. This is not my model, okay? I use this, but this is not how my model works. But yeah, it's basically focused on this. So if you don't know how to place standard deviations, you won't. You will not be able to train my model. So that's it. Any questions? Let me know, guys, in the comments.